Hi guys, we received this motion sensor garage light for reviewing purposes. Let me take it out of the box. And I think it's really nice because, well, first of all, it comes really well protected with foam in this bag, and you don't need to wire it at all because you just screw it on onto your regular light socket, which I think it's really nice. You can open it like this, extend it all the way. As you can see, this is the motion sensor, and we can just place it upon our light bulb base and select the mode. Okay, we have also the instructions in here, and with this switch we can select if we just want the light to turn on like a regular light bulb by turning the switch on and off, or if we want to use the motion sensor, we place it in this position upon the number 2, and that's where the motion sensor will be functioning and, well, sensing the movement, which I think it's really nice having this option to select whether you like it with the motion sensor or without it, which I think it's really great. And overall, I think it's nice. It feels of an excellent quality. All the LEDs, well, as you can see, they are really nice. So what I'm gonna do is, well, obviously test it out. I'm gonna place it in one of my light sockets and test it out, okay? Okay guys, as you can see, I've moved on and it turned on, which I think is a really nice function. As I've said, you can select if you want it to be steady on or turn it off automatically when it stops detecting movement, which I think it's a really nice function. And overall, I like it a lot. I think it's perfect for your garage, your storage, or anywhere you want to place it. I think it's gonna be an amazing light, and overall I like it a lot. It has this neutral white temperature of the light, which I think it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.